Okay, so let's talk about Crowdstrike. It's been a long time, a couple of weeks since I did a video in Crowdstrike. Here it is right here, our current price prediction in Crowdstrike. I was anticipating the market to go up, and here it is right now. You guys can see that that has played out pretty to T right now. The price prediction was produced on like October 17th. I'm looking for the market and Crowdstrike to go up. We talked about how this area could be impactful, this seller's pocket. And from October, well, I would say since we did a price prediction, all the way until November the 6th, that pocket was hindering the buyers. But you can tell that they did not relinquish that control of price. Even though we were nesting and trading below that pocket, once November, what was that day again? November the 6th occurred, that should have told you, cool, the market is still playing in our favor. Right there. It was still in our favor. The market in Crowdstrike was still acting bullish. The buyers were still telling us, look, don't worry about it. I got this. I'm still going to take this price up. All right, so we could get rid of this seller's pocket because that wasn't a problem for us. We can now get rid of this second seller's pocket. Why? Because price is above it. So we now know that the market in Crowdstrike was able to eradicate and get rid of those sellers in that pocket. Okay, so let's go ahead and get rid of that. And now our ultimate target is in tow. We're looking for Crowdstrike to continue to go up. That's what we're looking for. Okay, we're looking for the market in Crowdstrike to try to hit our ultimate TP price. And we're going to go ahead and maybe we might be able to extend our ultimate price target a little bit higher. Okay. So now let's look at this on the weekly chart because currently we are almost finished with the week. So now looking at Crowdstrike, are we still bullish? The answer would be yes. And the reason why is because on this weekly chart, last week we did see some people try to take the profit in the market in Crowdstrike, right? We saw that price went up, but it ended on the low of that weekly price bar that the arrow's pointing to. Well, look at the market now. It is still going up. So apparently that selling that occurred last week, it wasn't even a problem. The buyer's like, cool, I could take that. I got enough money right now in my pocket to buy whoever is trying to sell right now. Here it is on the 2 weeks in Crowdstrike. Okay. Here it is on the 3. So it's been a very good run in the market in Crowdstrike ever since this massive crash that they supposedly did with their system crashed. Market had just went right back up to where we started. Right? Isn't that crazy? Here it's on 5 weeks. And the monthly chart. So right now, for the month of November, very good month. Can't deny it. Widespread. Market still have 7 days, 6 hours before it concludes, which leads me to tell you this. Okay, so even though we are in profit right now in this prediction, you might want to take some off the table. Take that 15.42% and leave a remainder on just to get that ultimate price that we anticipated in this prediction, because we now know that the market is not weak yet, but we're close to where we might begin to see another batch of increased selling pressure. We don't want that. So while you have the bag and is in your possession, take some of it off, congratulate yourself, and let's move on to another play, right? So that's what we're going to do. We're not going to change our price prediction. I think that with market trading around all-time highs and our ultimate TP price range of $378, I don't feel confident extending it well past the all-time highs yet, or even the seller's pocket here. So let me create this other pocket of selling right there, which is right there around all-time highs. Okay, so I will draw that. I will put that on the chart. Okay. So that's it. I'm finished. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.